Large language models like ChatGPT are amazing, but they have a fatal flaw. They don't know your data. They don't know your private emails, your latest product manual, or what happened in yesterday's meeting. The solution is RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. It's a fancy name for a simple idea, giving the AI an open book test instead of forcing it to memorize everything. Here's how it works in 3 steps. Retrieve, when you ask a question. The system searches your trusted documents for relevant info. Augment, it pastes that info into the prompt along with your question. Generate, the LLM answers using only the facts you just gave it. Why use RAG instead of training fine-tuning? Because training is slow, expensive, and hard to update. With RAG, if your facts change, you just update the document. You don't need to retrain the brain. It's cheaper, faster, and more accurate. The best part, citations. Because the AI is reading specific documents, it can tell you exactly where it found the answer. This builds trust and lets humans verify facts instantly. No more "trust me, bro" answers. Where is RAG used? Customer support, chatbots that answer from your actual help center. Legal lawyers searching thousands of contracts instantly. Internal knowledge, employees asking, "How do I request time off?" and getting the real policy. It's not magic. If your documents are messy, the answers will be messy garbage in, garbage out. And retrieval search needs to be tuned so it finds the right paragraph, not just a matching keyword. RAG is the bridge between AI reasoning and your business reality. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz YouTube channel. It really helps us grow.